If you want to see how I got these French tip nails, then keep on watching. So for this set, these are my brother's hands, so not too much on that. But I've already primed and prepped his nails, so now I'm going to go in with my Apres, I don't know how to pronounce that, soft gel, extension gel, and I'm going to do a coat on the nails and don't cure it, and then I'm going to do a little glob of it on the nail tip and then flash cure it with my little light. So my brother is a working woman, so I had to trim his nails to desired length, and then I'm going to flush the cuticles and kind of make it blend seamlessly into the nail. Now I'm going to use my file to rough up the surface so that the rubber base can stick to it. I like adding rubber base to Gel-X nails because without it, I just feel like the tip isn't secure and you can kind of break it by doing everyday activities. Something I didn't show is that I actually use the LED light to flash cure after every coat, because if I don't, it's going to move around and we don't want that. And all I'm doing now is just adding a second coat of the rubber base so the nail can be more opaque. So I'm putting down my first layer of the silver glitter. This is not the reflective glitter, I'm just putting down this silver one because it'll be easier for me to kind of know where I need to put the reflective one, and it's just going to be the outline for me. I'm also putting down this glitter because it'll make the reflective one pop more when it has the silver glitter underneath it. So this is the fun part. This is where I'm putting down the reflective glitter, and it's super easy because I already know where to put it since I did the first outline layer. Now I'm going to add a shiny top coat, which I had to redo because he wanted to move his hands around like a little diva, but that's beside the point. Now I'm going to add some cuticle oil because he was in dire need of it. I really enjoyed doing this set and he really liked them, so that's all that matters, and thanks for watching.